Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best vlogging cameras of 2020. In the digital space, good content is king. As a vlogger keen on building your food, travel, fashion, or tech brand, investing in the best digital cameras will pay dividends down the line. As much as creating visual content is quite demanding, the end result is stunning videos and images that will attract and keep your target audience glued. The camera you settle for depends on how much versatility you want and the environment you shoot from. To ease your search, we have put together a list of the best vlogging cameras available today. 6. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. The Canon PowerShot G series carries some of the best vlogging cameras on the market. And, you'll love the compact G7X Mark II. Its 1.0-inch, 20.2 megapixel CMOS sensor balances the amount of light collected for stunning images and videos. It can shoot continuously up to 8 fps in RAW, JPEG, and RAW plus JPEG mode. The camera's DIGIC7 image processor has superb detection and tracking capabilities to keep your subject in focus throughout the shoot. All these packed into a slim and stylish camera. 5. GoPro Hero 8 Black. When it comes to small, pocketable, and portable action cameras, the GoPro Hero 8 is king. The Hero 8 is both rugged and waterproof, making it perfect for creating adrenaline-fueled or action-packed vlogs in rough terrains. You can call the shots with a hands-free voice command feature. The video stabilization function is enhanced with HyperSmooth 2.0 to anticipate your movements and corrects camera shake for smooth footage. 4. Sony RX100 7. This seventh iteration of the RX100 series is one of the most advanced yet compact camera on the market. Were it not for the price, this could be our best vlogging camera. It packs pro-level features, and everything a professional or recreational vlogger needs to create stunning stills and epic videos. The Zeiss 24-200mm zoom lens is enhanced with 0.02 seconds .2 superfast AF, and superb real-time tracking offers the world's fastest speeds. The high-resolution LCD screen tilts up to about 180 degrees and down to 90 degrees, making it easy to shoot from various angles. It is sold separately or bundled as a vlogger's kit. 3. Sony Alpha A6400 Mirrorless Camera. This is a mid-range mirrorless camera with a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor. Its most outstanding feature is the autofocus system. The camera has real-time AF at 0.02 seconds, real-time IAF, and object tracking. Its LCD touchscreen tilts up to 180 degrees, and the touch panel offers a range of image and video adjustments. Also, it's Wi-Fi enabled for smooth file transfer. Since the camera's lens is interchangeable, it's sold as a body-only or body plus lens. 2. Panasonic LUMIX ZS100 4K. The LUMIX is a light but superb camera. It features a Leica 10x zoom lens that captures videos and photos in 4K. Unlike other cameras, the LUMIX has a post-focus function that allows you to refocus images after shooting. When shooting under intense sunlight, the inbuilt live viewfinder makes it easy to view and shoot a frame. The 1-inch 20.1 megapixel MOS sensor adds clarity and vibrancy to night and low-light shots. 1. Nikon COOLPIX P1000. With a 3000mm zoom lens, the Nikon COOLPIX is among the best vlogging cameras for astrophotography and capturing fast-moving subjects. This camera has a dual-detect optical vibration reduction feature to stabilize any amplified vertical or horizontal camera movements. The camera's design ensures external controls like switching between AF and MF, snapback subject acquisition, or white balance are easy to operate. Also, it supports various remote control functions.